We're gonna do good today. All right, we are ready to go. My GPS is not working. My fish finder GPS is not working. I'm bummed. I don't know if I didn't charge the battery or I don't know, bad wires. So I'm gonna have to wing it. I'm only bringing 3 traps today. I have a trifecta of old rockfish fillets, beef kidney, and chicken thighs. So there's earth, land, and sea in each pot. All right, let's launch. That water is cold. All right, time to drop the first trap. I've been paddling a little over a mile. I put some bright orange pool noodles and orange and pink on mine. Make sure your Go ID number's on there. All right, first trap. All right, number 2. All right, number 3. All right, today's game plan is to catch some crabs. I didn't bring any traditional fishing gear. I'm concentrating only on crabs. I have only 3 traps out, so it's gonna be a little bit tough, but 3 or 4 crabs, legal crabs per trap doesn't seem so far-fetched. I'm gonna let them soak between 20 and 30 minutes a piece. All right, been about 25 minutes. Let's check our first pot. There we go. Whoa, we're gonna do good today. Rock crab, rock crab, female rock crab, another rock crab, not quite a keeper, nope, a little bit short. These 2 look good though. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh yeah, first keeper, kind of small claws, but that's okay. This one only has 1 claw, but he's a keeper. He's coming home. All right, 2 keepers in that first pot after only a 20-minute soak. That's really good. Wait, literally nothing. All right. Well, at least we got 2 in that first one. We know where some are. Let's bring this one back to there. Whew. Sucks a little bit. All right, a nice one. It's definitely a keeper, but let's measure it. Nice healthy male with all its legs. Oh yeah, that's 6 1/4. So see, we measure these. These crabs have 2 little points, one right there, one right there. You get 1 end on the inside of that. And it only needs to go to there, so it's bigger than 1/2 inch. So 6 1/4. All right. Oh, we just got a maybe. Oh yeah, it's another keeper. 6 inches. Missing one claw, but who cares? Most of the meat's in the legs and the body anyway. All right, a sea star is something you don't normally see pulling up in your crab trap. And that is really pretty. All right, it was a successful day. It wasn't a limit, but I caught 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 nice Dungeness, and then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nice rock crabs. I want to go home, but we got some water flowing. I'm gonna make the ride home just